Pretty much warm, dry, summer-like conditions really are felt in the Midwest, even Northern Plains, all the way up into southern Canada. Really, that's going to be the story going forward. You can see these are your high temperatures. Because out to the west, they see a system that's going to be diving south, providing those with some showers, rain, even mountain snow, and cooler conditions. So as they cool down, we're going to continue to warm up or even heat up even more, too, for the next several days through the weekend. And that's the pattern that we're kind of dealing with right now. It is a dry heat because we don't have a lot of moisture being pushed to the north. Enough moisture at the mid and upper levels to provide cloud cover with the system out to the west. And that's what we saw today. And we'll see more of that tonight and then kind of dwindle a little bit off tomorrow. That system pushes to the north. There's your Pacific Northwest system that really is going to bring fall-like and more rain and even mountain snow eventually to the west. So that's kind of the pattern we're dealing with right now. It's going forward. As we look at the temperatures tonight, more mid to upper 50s, kind of what we saw last night. We'll have some cloud cover out there, mainly mid and high level clouds, but we should be in the mid to upper 40s this time of year. So another mild night. And tomorrow, less overall cloud cover should allow the temperatures to get back up into the low to mid 80s. So once again, not quite record level, but the wind will start turning around a little bit. You see the arrows now coming more out of the south-southwest. Today we're out of the southeast, which helped bring us our temperatures a little bit down too, along with the cloud cover. Now Friday, it's definitely going to be warm even going into the evening for Friday night football. Definitely mid to upper 80s. We could see a 90. Dry heat though. The relative humidity is still fairly low for this time of year and low dew points, but definitely could see records. The wind starts picking up. The one thing to notice going into Saturday is the lows going in here will be in the upper 60s and near 70 to start off Saturday, which is almost a record too. So very warm conditions going into Saturday, along with the wind staying up, and those winds will continue on Saturday and actually pick up too. We'll see mid to upper 80s. So once again, could be more records temperatures too going into that day. As we look at the records for Friday, it's still a little bit uncertain. We're going to get to 91 at La Crosse. Not out of the question quite yet. A little bit closer for Eau Claire. So those are the two. Better chance Saturday because the records are a little bit lower for Saturday, more upper 80s or mid 80s. So that's definitely in reach and probably could break that going into Saturday. Now Sunday, more clouds, wind. We have a front that will be approaching. You can kind of see where it's going to be positioned right now. Look at the 50s in the Dakotas near there and 69 in Fargo. So we're going to deal with that. A little bit cooler, still windy, and then the front will come through. Now ahead of it, that wind picks up Saturday. We'll see gusts potentially in the afternoon above 30 to 35, especially as you go to higher elevations over in northeast Iowa. This is just a taste of it because we're going to see more of like this conditions going into Sunday. In fact, they could get a little bit stronger going into Sunday as that front gets approaching us. And really when it comes to precipitation with this front, it's not a lot. It actually starts kind of falling apart as it comes through, and this would come through probably Sunday night to early Monday morning, and not a lot of precipitation with it. It's going to be starving a little bit for moisture. The winds will pick up, will cool down behind it, but don't expect a lot of rainfall as we go into Monday. A lot of areas may not just see clouds and a wind change, but you will see more seasonal conditions for early part of next week with maybe some rain chances coming towards the midweek. But overall theme of next week is more fall-like temperatures, 60s and overnight lows in the 40s. So definitely it's going to be feeling like August, and with that wind picking up Friday and Saturday, it's going to be dry and very warm.
Yep, 4 more days of warmth, and then we can pretty much kiss it goodbye for the rest of the year.
Well, you know,
yeah, probably.
We'll see.
Okay.
We'll see.
All right, thanks, Greg.